Hello guys, today we are going to see the experiment magic volcano. For the ingredients we need citric acid, conical flask, a spoon, some water, baking soda, red food color. Okay. First let's take the conical flask. Okay. Then they asked us to put 2 scoops of baking soda and citric acid in it. Okay, let's put what? It's not coming. Maybe for us it's 1 scoop itself. Okay, maybe for us I think so. I don't have, so I'm putting 1 scoop itself. It don't matter how much scoops we put, but we have to put the same amount of baking soda and citric acid. Okay. We have lots of baking soda. No, this is also less that we can manage. This is the same amount. See, baking soda is also over. What else can we do? Now shake. A useful material for shaking. Here shake. Then we have to add the red food color. Think so. Let me check out how many drops. Okay. They asked us to put 2 drops of red food color. Yeah, luckily. Maybe it's too watery. Maybe there are too water. I'll put some in the tray. 1, 2. And mix. Maybe I put too much water still. 1, 2. Okay. Do you know why I put 2 more drops? Because I have the double amount of water. Now get ready for it. Hey, let's see whether it's somewhere in there. Not coming. It's not coming. If you like this video, please comment and like, share and subscribe. Thank you, and with me, Sidharth is. Let's see it.